again, congratulations, Bobit. Congratulations, MyTV. Thank you.
Like I said, they discovered me, not the other way around. And I was not seeking a job, but they were looking for someone to run. And I promised them if they will give us these things, we'll turn this thing around. And being a Orthodox Catholic, the first show that I crafted was My Catechism.
Good morning and welcome once again to My Catechism. I'm your talk show host, Bobit Avila, with my co-host, Father Lucas Enoch. Actually, this all started on March 27, year 2000. My first guest, I had to do it in Manila because my first guest was, of all people, my former idol, Manuel Rojas. And welcome once again to Straight from the Sky. I'm your talk show host, Bobit Avila. Tonight, we talk about a very important topic. Tonight, we bring you something unique. People are asking, how do we solve our problems in the city? What are our major concerns? These are problems that need to be solved. We have done a lot in Cebu, and I'm sure you know them. Our special guest today is Mayor Isko Moreno of Manila, and we are really blessed that he is with us in our show. And I will vouch that she is one of the most honest and most competent government official that I have ever known, who has been in the forefront of this fight against the coronavirus, and of course, the people who don't believe that we are doing it for the safety of the Filipinos and the Cebuanos. I mean, I don't believe that children are naturally criminals. Children even tell the truth if they have to. I always look for the smallest people who have something to say, but they're nobodies. I would rather have those people than have big people and they don't appear anymore. And welcome to Manila. We are here invited for the formal launching of the cleanup of Manila. We're here at the Marriott Grand Ballroom, and the food is expected to be superb. I'm here resting for a while. We're inside this Roman amphitheater. Well, on my first year, I became a record holder. The longest talk show in town.
I feel honored and I am very happy to be the guest in this long gift to the watching public, you know, in TV, straight from the sky, you know, almost
Well,
19 years, no, 19 years.
Gikan sa langit. MyTV has been in our TV screens for 8 years.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Diamond Award, of course, goes to Mr. Valeriano Avila, or Mr. Bobit Avila as he is well known.
Sir Bobit, happy 20th anniversary.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you. This is my 20 years, and you only do 20 years once in your life. And you've heard it here in Straight from the Sky. And Bobit Avila, thank you, and good night.